Today we are going over spelling word families.
Hey class, I'm Rebecca and I'm going to be the new teacher for this page. I'm going to be teaching you all types of things, but today I'm going to go over words. I'm going to help you all build your vocabulary using this book right here. And in lesson 1, there's a list of words that you all will be learning. The first word is beep, to sound a horn. Beep is spelled B-E-E-P. The next word is Jeep, and it means a small general purpose motor vehicle. You spell Jeep like J-E-E-P. The next word on the list is keep. Keep means to hold or retain in one's possession. Keep is spelled K-E-E-P. Deep. Deep means reaching far down from the top, and deep is spelled D-E-E-P. Now, one thing that all of these words have in common is that they end with E-E-P. So all of these words sound alike, and they're also a rhyme, and they all are spelled the same except for the beginning letter. So we went over the words beep, Jeep, keep, and deep. Number 5 on the list is sheep. Sheep means a docile, domesticated mammal with horns in males and wool. Sheep is spelled S-H-E-E-P. The next word on the list is sleep. Sleep means to rest or slumber in a state of being unaware with your eyes closed. Sleep is spelled S-L-E-E-P. Next on the list we have peep. Peep means to peer slyly through a crevice. Peep is spelled P-E-E-P. And the last word on this page is sweep. Sweep means to remove from a surface with a broom or brush. Sweep is spelled S-W-E-E-P. So that's all for this list. Make sure you study hard because you will be tested on the next page where you will have to match the words to the definitions. So study the definitions hard so that you can get the next page completely right. Within this lesson in the Spelling Word Mastery book, on the next few pages you will have to practice writing the words so that you can remember the spelling, and you will have to match the words to the sentences. I will read the sentences so that you can guess which words match with the sentences. And listen to the sentences carefully so that you can properly match each word to the sentence and fill in the blanks. The first sentence is, he dug a hole. The second sentence is, was the only animal left on the farm. The third sentence is, when I got tired, I went to during the long road trip. The fourth one reads, I will through the crack before I open the door. The fifth one reads, I had to the floor after I knocked over the paint. The sixth one reads, I wanted to the little kitten we found on the porch. The seventh one reads, my dad's had a flat tire. And the last one reads, I heard the horn 3 times. So fill in the blanks on your sheet of paper and see which words fit within the blank parts of these sentences the best. Next in this lesson, you'll have to practice writing the words here just so that you can remember the spelling. And next, you have to write your own sentences. So use inspiration from the previous sentences that you had to fill in the blanks for and try to write your own sentences. Next, you have a true and false sheet where you read these definitions and you tell whether or not those definitions are true or false based on what you studied previously. I will read the true and false to you. A beep is a bird's mouth. True or false? A Jeep is a small general purpose motor vehicle. True or false? Keep means to give away. True or false? Deep means jump as high as you can. True or false? A sheep is a docile animal that has wool. True or false? Sleep means to get up from bed. True or false? Peep means to make a loud noise. True or false? Sweep means to remove from a surface with a broom. True or false? So that concludes these 2 pages of the lesson. And the last page of the lesson is something a little bit more fun. It's a word search. So you have to find all of the words from the word list in this word search. And that's the last activity for this lesson out of the Spelling Word Mastery book. So I hope this video was helpful, and continue to study hard so that you can learn more words. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye kids!